Hello everyone, welcome back to Automobile Tech. Today I'll show you a real repair case on a Hyundai Tucson NX4E. The customer complained that the outside rear view mirror was not folding properly after the mirror was accidentally hit by an external object. Let's find out what failed, why it happened, how we repaired it, and the final test results. Genuine Hyundai Outside Mirror Gear Kit, part number NX876-N7000FFF. The customer reported that the power folding mirror had stopped working. When the lock or unlock button was pressed, the mirror either did not move at all, stopped halfway, or produced a clicking noise. Since the problem started immediately after the mirror was struck, we suspected internal mechanical damage. After removing the mirror assembly and opening the folding mechanism, we found the root cause. The plastic worm gear and reduction gears were broken. Several gear teeth were cracked and missing, preventing the motor from transmitting torque to the mirror hinge. The folding motor itself was still operating normally. Now let's understand why this happened. The mirror folding mechanism is designed with plastic gears instead of metal gears. This is intentional. When excessive force is applied, such as someone manually pushing the mirror, hitting a wall, or another vehicle striking the mirror, the plastic gears act as a mechanical fuse. Instead of damaging the expensive folding motor or the complete mirror assembly, the plastic gears absorb the impact and break first. Although the gears failed, they protected the motor from much more costly damage. Instead of replacing the complete outside mirror assembly, we replaced only the damaged internal gear set. We installed a genuine Hyundai Outside Mirror Gear Kit, part number NX876-N7000FFF. The repair steps included removing all broken gear fragments, cleaning the gear housing, applying fresh grease, installing the new worm gear and reduction gears, reassembling the mirror mechanism, reinstalling the mirror onto the vehicle. This repair is much more economical than replacing the entire mirror assembly. After reassembly, we performed a complete functional test. First, we operated the mirror using the lock and unlock functions. The mirror folded smoothly. Next, we unfolded the mirror several times to verify consistent operation. There was no abnormal noise, no gear slipping, no hesitation, and no diagnostic trouble codes. The mirror now operates exactly as designed. This case shows that not every mirror folding failure requires replacing the complete mirror assembly. If the motor is still good, replacing the damaged gear kit can restore normal operation while significantly reducing repair costs. Always inspect the internal gears before recommending a complete mirror replacement. If you found this repair helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automobile Tech for more professional automotive diagnostics, electrical troubleshooting, and real workshop case studies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.